Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial we will show you how to set a time limit for your Zoom meeting, whether you are hosting a short check-in or a timed webinar. Controlling the meeting duration helps keep things on track. Let's get started. First, you need to have the Zoom application or to sign in on the website zoom.us. So how to get the application? There is two ways. The first way is to go to zoom.us/download. And you can download the Zoom app from here. Second choice is go to Microsoft Store and type Zoom. Then you install this one, Zoom Workplace, and it's free. So once you install that one, you will open the app and sign in just like that. Sign into a different account. So here what you gotta do, if you don't have an account, you will go into sign up and then for example anything, continue, etc. So I already have an account, so I will just sign in with my account to show you how okay. Let now in this window in our app Zoom, we will go to schedule. For the webinar users, they can use this option. Here you can set and fill the blanks with the informations, and also the time zone template and the security passcode, that one. Okay, we have everything here in the normal Zoom Workplace and the normal version, but you need to have webinar and premium Zoom to see that function duration. So from here you can set up the duration of the meeting. So guys, that's the video, and I hope that was helpful, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and like. Thank you so much, guys. See you later.